Envato Elements stock footage, stock graphics review. What do I think? As an agency owner that works with clients internationally, we use Envato Elements a lot. This is the #1 tool I use, not just for the stock footage, but all the other elements combined. We have graphics, WordPress templates, everything, and licensing, very easy and a beautiful dashboard, very easy to use. But we're talking about stock footage. What do I recommend? If you're only going for stock footage, only going for stock video, don't need anything else, don't need audio, don't need anything, then you might want to consider something else. I would rate just the stock footage portion of the site maybe a 6.5 out of 10. They're very high quality. There's a lot of things you can use. I can filter by colors so that the stock images are on brand. Two things I don't like: downloading zip files. I have to unzip them and then drag them into my editor. It takes a bit more time. It adds up. Number two, the files are all very large. Even if I use a free stock footage site like Pexels, they're like 3 megabytes. This one gives you the full high quality one, which some editors love. I don't. I like to do things really quickly. So these are two things I don't love about it. However, since I'm using it for all the other things, and this eliminates my need to use stock footage 9 out of 10 times because it has almost everything, I would go with this all the time. I love Envato Elements. It's helped us boost our business, charge more money, make even hundreds of thousands of dollars more a year because we're elevating our productions. If you've seen the video where I did a logo sting in a few minutes, you can see how much better that looks. You don't need anything from the client. You can just create things almost out of thin air. So it's really good for that. If you just want to use stock image, it's a little bit, I wouldn't say clunky, but very like unzip the file. The file's 2 gigabytes sometimes. I don't really like that. Slows me down, wastes my storage. I have to delete project files or use an external hard drive. So it's not as quick and agile, but it is truly great. And if this is what you're looking for, get the trial from the description down below. My review on the stock footage portion would be like a 6.5 out of 10. My review on Envato Elements itself would be like a 9 out of 10. It is really good software. That's why I'm an affiliate of it, because I do believe in it. So hope the video helped you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.